So in this project, conserving this painting by Lavinia Fontana, we also had the opportunity to examine her process and her materials by using scientific methods. At the gallery, we have a handheld XRF device. XRF stands for X-ray fluorescence. It is a type of analysis that can be done on paint without causing any damage, and it really tells you the elemental content. That can be very helpful with the paintings from this period because the pigments are often based on minerals which have a known elemental content. Another technique that we use is to take very tiny samples from the painting to see the layers and the order in which they were applied by the artist. This method can be used to view the cross sections from the side, but also we can use it with a technique known as SEM, which is scanning electron microscopy. It's a very, very powerful microscope that can show you an image of the sample, and you can also select parts of that image and it will tell you exactly what type of pigment we are looking at in each layer of the painting, not just the ground layer, but also the modelling layers and then the glazing layers that are on top of that. So it gives us a really accurate depiction of what process of the artist was and the sequence of paint layers as they were laid down. This is something that we would do for large projects, but something that we've never done before for Lavinia Fontana. And in fact, we're lucky at the gallery that we have 2 paintings by the artist. So we were able to look at the comparative portrait that we also hold in the collection here, and that helps us to show that there's some consistency in her use of materials. It's the sort of information that can be very helpful when it comes to researching the work of an artist and understanding their process, and also establishing the authenticity of their paintings. There's very little information out there about her materials. So using the scientific analysis, we were able to establish the sort of palette that Lavinia Fontana would have been painting from.